This video presents an insightful overview of various types of ELM scanners that are compatible with different communication protocols, thereby emphasizing the critical importance of selecting the appropriate model in order to establish successful connections with a vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. In this context, the video meticulously details the wiring connections, specifying the exact pins on the OBD1 scanner where the red, black, and white wires must be connected. Such precise wiring is essential for ensuring the proper functionality of the diagnostic tool. Moreover, the video illustrates how different Mazda models utilize distinct communication protocols, which underscores the necessity for users to possess a comprehensive understanding of these protocols to facilitate effective diagnostics. The diagnostic process initiates with a connection of the green wire to pin 10 of the OBD1 connector. This step is fundamental in establishing a reliable communication link, which is crucial for accurate fault code reading and diagnosis. Furthermore, ForScan Lite is introduced as a valuable tool for diagnosing various vehicle issues. This application enables users to detect specific fault codes, such as the P0110 IAT sensor circuit fault, thereby aiding in precise problem identification. The importance of reconnecting the MEF sensor is also highlighted in the video, as it stresses the necessity of turning off the ignition prior to plugging in connectors. This precautionary measure is crucial to avoid potential complications during the diagnostic process. Additionally, understanding the procedure for resetting fault codes is imperative, as it ensures that the vehicle's engine control unit, ECU, operates without any residual issues that could affect performance. This step is essential for the maintenance of optimal vehicle operation. The capability to view live data from the ECU allows for real-time monitoring of the vehicle's performance. This feature significantly enhances the diagnostic process by providing immediate feedback, which is invaluable for diagnosing issues effectively. Finally, the selection of specific parameter identifiers, PIDs, for monitoring serves to enhance the diagnostic process. This level of customization permits users to concentrate on relevant data that directly impacts the functionality of the vehicle, thereby facilitating more effective diagnostics.